first thing you want to do is download that file. And then once you download that file, open it up, your PDF file, and choose the image. Once you choose the image you want, then you want to get print pages. You want to get the print page and then find your printer. And then you want to make sure it's on poster. And the current page, you don't want to print all the pages, you just want to print the poster. So then I want to put it on 200, and 200 is going to scale it to, it's going to resize it to 4 sheets of paper. So it's going to be 22 by 17, and I can make it bigger. I can make it to 300, and then I'll give you poster size going to be like 9 pages. That's going to be a huge poster. It's 33 by 25. I don't know if you want to go that big. So I just scale it, excuse me, to 200, and that will only use 4 pieces of paper. So that's it, and then you would hit print.